All right, so Xcode 26.4 just released scope guides, and to start that up, all you have to do is go to Xcode right here, hit settings, and then go down to where you have editing here, and then just hit the first one, display, and you'll see this thing pretty much flagged as scope guides. I'm testing it out right now, so I have it on active only. Yours might be on none, so if I hit none, basically you see that line that was there is gone. If I should go back and turn it on, or put it on the one I had before, active only, any like curly brace that I'm in front of, it will show the closing. So you see how this one is here, and we see just where that H that closes. And trust me, you know with SwiftUI views, this can get huge. So these are fine since they're here, but look at this one. It's all the way down here, and I wouldn't know where unless I did this and come down here. So it allows you to see where your curly braces ends. And we know with SwiftUI, this can get huge. Now, the only other thing is you can turn it on so that it could be on for every single one. So you could, instead of active only, do all. And if you go back to your code base, you'll see that everywhere where there's a curly brace, everyone has it. Now, I don't really like this version. I prefer when it's just active only. So I'm gonna switch that back to active only. But yeah, that's scope guides in Xcode 26.4. All right, I'm out. Remember, like, share, and comment. All right.